All right, once again, Chief Meteorologist Jeff Hanwich is back with us. It's almost kind of maybe getting to be gardening time, but not really quite yet.
Yeah, I don't think you want to do it just yet because we've got a pretty cold snap, pretty large cold snap heading our way here as we head late this week into the first part of the weekend, but it's short-lived. By next week, temperatures start to skyrocket again. I want to show you pollen levels. Okay. If you've been sneezing and wheezing today, there's a reason for it. Pollen levels today were high. The main three allergens, maple, juniper, and birch. Tomorrow, the pollen levels still going to be on the higher end of things. Now, as we head into Wednesday, the pollen levels may start to go down because of the fact that we're going to have, I think, some rain around as we head late Tuesday night. That could help wipe away some of the pollen by midweek. Here's a look at the satellite and radar composite at 11:16. You'll notice may have had one or two little sprinkles into parts of Bland and Wythe counties over the last hour or so, but they're not amounting to much. We are right now partly to mostly cloudy across the region. This is cold front number one. This is our first frontal boundary that we're going to be contending with later tomorrow into tomorrow night. It's going to provide us heavier downpours and the chance for some thunderstorms. The severe weather threat with cold front one is pretty low. Now, that may change with cold front number two. Cold front number two is going to head in our direction as we head likely into Wednesday night and early Thursday. This one is a more dynamic storm system and therefore will have, I think, a better chance for some stronger thunderstorms for us. Even though it's going to push through here Wednesday night into Thursday morning when we're fairly stable, we could still have a couple of stronger thunderstorms to contend with. Both of these fronts are going to provide us heavy rain. Both of these fronts could provide us a chance for some thunderstorms, but it's really behind this second cold front where things are going to really start to change in the temperature department. Behind the secondary cold front, the winds will shift more to the northwest, and that's going to grab some cooler Canadian air and bring it in our direction. So temperatures are going to drop big time Friday into Saturday. Could even have some west slope snow showers as we head Friday into Friday night. Now, they're not going to amount to much except in West Virginia, where a light accumulation could certainly be possible in places like Snowshoe, Quinwood, and also into areas near Rennell. Once the secondary cold front gets out of here, we should be in store for a drier weekend. Let's compare snow in the 2021-2022 winter. So in Blacksburg, you had 14.5 inches of snow. In Dayton, Ohio, they had 14.1 inches of snow. So we saw about the same amount of snow in Blacksburg as we did in Dayton, Ohio. Keep in mind the average snowfall totals in both locations are about equal as well. So parts of the mountains of Virginia saw as much snow as parts of Ohio. Now, I will tell you that Roanoke, you actually saw more, or I should say less snow than in areas of Pennsylvania. So it's been a little bit of a weird winter across the eastern seaboard. Right now it is 52 in Wytheville, 56 in Blacksburg, 60 Roanoke, 52 Lynchburg. You're in the low to mid 50s out across south side. Upper air pattern such that we're going to have a big old dip in the jet stream. That's going to allow that colder air to filter in here for much of the weekend, but it's short-lived. As I was telling John in the first part of weather, it's going to be here for about 48 hours. By the time next week rolls around, temperatures are going to skyrocket back into the lower 70s. Winds right now not a huge factor for us, pretty weak. They're not going to be a huge factor for us tomorrow as well. However, by Wednesday and Thursday, those winds are going to strengthen. Both on Wednesday and Thursday could have some gusts over 25 to 30 miles per hour. Winds are likely going to be stronger both days in the mountains than they will be towards the Piedmont. Overnight lows tonight 42 to 49. For high temperatures tomorrow, we are looking at them mainly in the 60s in the mountains, outside the mountains, upper 60s and low to mid 70s. Your extended forecast showing cold front number one bringing us rain late tomorrow into tomorrow night. Cold front two bringing us a good chance for rain and storms Wednesday night into early Thursday. Behind that front could have a few mountain snow showers as we head into Friday, mainly towards the west slopes. We're going to dry things out and see more sunshine this weekend. And after a cool down Friday and Saturday, we're back into the 70s by early next week.